Hope you can hear me through the I just saw where I was, and unfortunately, I should be spinning around with your arms up, singing. The hills are alive with the sound of music. I'm like, look at this. How about that? It's rather pretty, and it's warmed up. Hence, no sun. By the way, this was what I was meaning. When I got up here, when I first got up to this part, and I got out of the trees, and I saw where I was walking through, I was thinking, oh bloody hell, I'm in a hammock. And all those times I was asked, well, what do you do when you've got no trees? I laughed it off because the Appalachian Trail is pretty much me, just walking through the woods constantly. So, yeah, it was just... so, apparently, there are spots where you're not going to have permanent access to trees, but apparently it's not all that far to get to the next tree line, and I'll be able to set up. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you where I am. And this is the view. And it's rather pretty. It has occurred to me because I've been, I don't know about other people, but when I walk at least, I spend a lot of my time ending up thinking about stuff at home and so on. And it's kind of, hard not to, and you kind of forget that you've got to be in the moment. You're around stuff like this, So I thought I'd do a video and say, have a, just to show you what's all around me. That's where I've come from, and that's where I'm going. Fun. So I'll catch you again later. So there, guys.